Good morning, second grade. We are in lesson 12:5, part 2 on make change. And it would be page 515 and 16. This is like the last lesson where we have something that we want to buy. We are going to give all the money that we have, and then we see how much money we have left over and we get back as change. And if you forgot, here is a brief reminder. If you circle this, change means money back. And here is the example that they have where there's a toy car that cost 47 cents. You paid for the car with 2 quarters, and we want to know how much you get back. So first you find the amount paid. We know that 2 quarters equal 50 cents. And then you say, well, you gave 50 cents, but the toy car only cost 47 cents. So how much money do you get back? Because you overpaid. And we had talked about counting up. For right now, there'll be other ways, but for right now, we're going to do counting up because that's what the textbook is advising. So we start after 47 and we count up 48, 49, 50, and it was 3 cents, which would be your change. So let's do it again down here for more practice. Find the amount paid, then find the change. So here's the price of the cute little toy sailboat. It's 41 cents. This is how much you paid. We're going to write it down here, and then we're going to find out how much money you get back because you did overpay. We have here a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a nickel. So let's go across. For right now, just to keep track of what I've got, I'm going to write it on the bottom. So I have 25 cents. Add 10 cents with a dime. What's 25 plus 10? Write it down. Good. Now let's add a nickel. A nickel is how many cents? Add that to 35. You should have gotten. Good. Then from there, add 1 more nickel. And so you should have 45 cents. That's how much you paid for this toy boat. So how much change do you get back? Starting with a number after 41 cents, 42, 43, 44, 45. How many cents? Write it down. Very good. Number 2, we have a toy airplane. That's 72 cents. You had here a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. There are 2 ways I could do this very easily. I can see that 2 dimes and a nickel equal 25, 10, 20, and 5. And then from there, it's easy to add because we have 25, 50, add another 25 cents, that gives you 75. Or you could do it the long way. You could say 25, and 25 is 50, and then add 10, 60, add another 10, 70, add 5, 75. Either way, you should come up with the same answer, which is 75 cents. You don't have to write this out. I'm doing that for you to keep yourself organized. If you can do mental math and add it up in your head, that's fine, as long as you come up with the correct answer. Okay, so the boat, that's not a boat. The plane was 72 cents. You paid with 75 cents. How much money do you get back? Let's count up. 73, 74, 75. That's 3 cents. Good job. Let's go to page 516. Now we have a story about a glow stick. A glow stick costs 39 cents. The coins show the amount paid. Write the amount of change. So it's like you have 3 different people who paid 3 different amounts, and you want the change for each one of those people. So here we go. The first person, we have 2 quarters. We already know 2 quarters is 50 cents. So now I'm going to count up. There is actually an easier way when you're working with such larger gapped numbers. But since the book hasn't introduced it yet, we'll wait until the next lesson. Let's just count up for now. So from 39, I'm going to start with 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, one more, 50. So that would be 10 plus one more. That would be 11 cents. The change would be 11 cents. Let's go to the next person. The next person paid with a quarter, a dime, and a nickel. That would be 25. What's that? Add 10. 35. Good. Add 5. 40. All right. So we have 40 cents here. Now, if we were to count up, oh my, that's so close. It's super easy. The glow stick cost 39 cents. You gave 40 cents. You get 1 cent back. Number 3. We have a quarter, a dime, and a dime. That would be 25, 35, 45. What's your change? Well, let's count up. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, so we're going to get 6 cents back. The change is 6 cents. Let's see. Number 4, problem solving. Mason wants to buy either a pinwheel for 68 cents or a yo-yo for 77 cents. He has 2 quarters, 2 dimes, and 1 nickel. Which item can Mason buy? I don't know if you see this, but once again, there's an easy way to put this together. We know 2 quarters is 50 cents, and hopefully you will start memorizing that 2 dimes and a nickel is another 25 cents. That's 10, 20, 25. So we have 25, 50, add another 25, that's 75. So Mason has 75 cents. Which item can Mason buy? Is it the pinwheel for 68 cents or is it the yo-yo for 77 cents? Write it down. Does your answer match mine? I hope so, because he can only afford the pinwheel. We want to know how much change he gets back. So if he has 75 cents and it only costs 68, let's count up. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. You should have 7 cents there. Very good. Okay, last problem on your homework. This is one that you will do yourself. I've pretty much done your whole homework with you except the last problem. It says, explain how you decided which item Mason can buy and how much change he will receive. So that's referring back to question number 4. How did you know which item Mason could buy? And how did you know how much change he will receive? They want you to explain or tell what you knew, how you knew. All right, that's it for today. A short lesson. Yay, good for you. We want to go slow because I want to make sure you understand the concept of change. All right, starting tomorrow, we're going to do another just 1-page front and back, and it's going to be adding and subtracting money and what you need to do about that. That will be tomorrow. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.